blacked out Jeep Wrangler here. It's a Sunday morning and I got a brilliant idea. Let me show you what it is. So I'm on my Instagram here on GTA Jeeps and I'm looking at opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. So that gave me an idea. Let's give him a surprise visit, taking you guys along with me and check out his awesome store. Yeah, I just crossed my fingers that he's there and give him an awesome surprise and hopefully get an awesome tour, and who knows what else will be in store. So let's go downstairs. All right guys, I see his sign. Let's turn the camera on and take a look. Alright guys, so the great news is he's here. Obviously his Jeep is here. Yeah, excited to give him a little surprise and say hello. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's head inside together and take a look. Hey!
What's going on?
Not too much, Neil. How's it going?
Good, man. It's
Good. A little surprise and come in.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this.
New improvement.
Wow, this is incredible.
Thanks, man.
Wow, let me turn the camera on and show you guys. I think I might do something today. Yeah. Since I'm here, you know, and I haven't done an accessory upgrade on my Jeep in a while, I really like the blacked out LED light bar. Now, is that a 52 inch?
This one, yeah. This is
It's a 52 inch.
Yep.
Amazing. So I'm thinking, guys, that I might end up doing this today. And I don't know, like, Neil, what do you think about the side mirrors with the LEDs? Do you think I should do that?
That would be a unique look to it. And
Yeah?
if you look at it, it goes hand in hand, the look.
Yeah.
It's something that not everybody has, because you already currently have the pod look, right?
Right.
The light bar, the pod.
Yeah.
So many people have that look right
Exactly.
now. If you want to change it up and hit a different angle and
Yeah.
do the side mirrors.
Okay.
On top of that, you can use it every day because it's also a flasher.
I was gonna ask, so with your left and right indicators, your blinkers,
Yeah.
it's integrated.
Exactly.
Ah.
We run it all the time. So it's an everyday driving light on top of just an off-road light.
Amazing.
Right? So let's just say you have your flashers in one row,
Yeah.
and then your spotlight will be in the other. So that will be hooked up to, let's say, your pillar switch pod.
Right.
I think you have.
Yeah, I have one of those, so I can hook it up.
Hook it right up to that.
Amazing. Okay. All right, guys. So what I'm thinking of doing, yes, I'm doing something awesome and fun and exciting today as well, is that I'm gonna get rid of the pods and
LED light bar. We'll do the side mirrors that will replace your pods.
Okay.
Get it all hooked up to your switch pod.
perfect. All right, guys, we're gonna do an install today as well. I told you, there's always surprises when we come over to Neil. So super excited to pull it in. He has an amazing bay. Like, I'm just looking at the window right over here. So we'll drive right in and get the stuff started. Guys, I got Dave in the shop here today.
How's it going, guys?
As you might have recalled him from the Jeep video commercial that we created a little time back. So he's gonna be working on my Jeep as well today. And so you'll be seeing a lot of him. All right, guys, so I just wanted to tell you a little something about the light bar that I have on right now. I don't even have to tell you guys. You guys can already see the rust that's forming on the brackets here. The light bar itself isn't the greatest of quality. The connection, I've been having a lot of issues. So Neil offers a warranty with his light bars, which is the peace of mind. So if you do get it installed over here, he offers a 2-year warranty. And if you do just end up purchasing and installing it yourself, he does offer a 1-year warranty. So super excited, let's get this started. All right guys, so there's a lot of preparation that's involved with changing the light bar, whole harness that's connected to the battery, the fuse box. We're also changing out the mirrors, so running some more wiring from the front for the blinkers and all that good stuff. Should be quite interesting. Alright guys, so we're about to put the light bar on, and Neo showed me this awesome product that helps with the whistling of the light bar right over here. So we're going to be installing these. It's by Rigid Industries right over here. So this should be fun and exciting to see and do a quick review on. So we're going to get these onto the light bar, and then we're going to actually mount the light bar on. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so what we have happening behind me is we're removing the door panel to get into the wiring system to change the side view mirrors. So there's a lot that actually is involved in this process of changing your side view mirrors, but it should be worth it at the end. Alright guys, so the mirrors are getting installed. I got my man Neo now. He's free to give us a tour of the actual installation base. So we're going to follow him and take a look at this amazing space he has. Plus he's going to tell you about the new installs that he's offering as well. So let's take a look.
Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little tour of our shop over here. So here's the showroom. We're going to walk into the installation bay. So right over here we could do about 2 to 3 Jeeps. We could work on all the accessories. So we got a hoist over here. So this is where we're going to be doing a lot of our lifts, a lot of our fenders, a lot of jobs that require a hoist. We got our shop dog, Jackson.
Yes.
Chilling out.
Wicked, yeah. Wicked. So you were saying lifts and everything now,
yeah,
eh?
we're doing lifts, tires, rims, all that stuff. Like basically a full service shop over here.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's our hoist number 2. This handles all the big Jeeps, all the big trucks. This is where pretty much where the magic happens. You guys want a 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch lift right over here. Easily, comfortably fit about 4 to 5 Jeeps. So
amazing.
We're able to handle large volumes. So don't be shy. Just give us a call and we'll get you in as soon as possible.
Sick. Thanks, Neo. I appreciate that tour. All right, so that's looking good.
This one all done, ready for install.
Nice. Got the glass on as well on the other side. Sick. Cool. I love it. It looks beautiful. More than what I expected. It's amazing. I'm really happy with it. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna take some shots. We're gonna take some video clips of it. It's gonna look beautiful. I'm gonna throw the light bars on as well. There you go. Look at that. Sick. So yeah, we're gonna take it outside. We're gonna take some shots. See how it looks outside. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So that's a wrap. I'm super happy with everything. It looks fantastic.
It looks awesome, man.
Yeah, I was honestly, I wasn't sure if I was gonna ever get those mirrors done, but I'm glad I did.
No, man, they're amazing, man.
Yeah.
It just adds so much to it, you know.
Yeah.
It changes the look from like the light bar, the pods.
I know.
This hits a different angle on the mirrors.
For sure. Great. No, I really appreciate it, Neil. Thank you
No
so
problem.
much.
For
And
sure. Dave did an awesome job.
he
I'm sure.
definitely
Yeah.
did. So yeah, definitely want to thank him. He wasn't able to get out here right now, but great team and great service. I love it.
Cool, man.
I love it.
Well,
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for surprising.
For sure, for sure. I'm glad you like that. Yeah, just remember, I mean, if you're into anything like this, it's a new line that you're carrying. It's by NVE.
Yeah, NVEOffroad.ca. Check them out.
Perfect.
Lots of cool stuff in production right now.
Perfect.
So, and it's getting the store as it comes through.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So yeah, I'm gonna have the details underneath the video, and you guys can check it out. So there's, before I forget, you're having a grand opening.
Yeah,
over
that's
here.
right. April 15th, we're having a open house grand opening over here.
Okay.
Located 8 Research Road, Brampton. So come on down. We're gonna pretty much load this whole parking lot up.
Perfect. Perfect.
We're gonna load this
whole area
up with Jeeps.
Nice.
Fill it up. There's a Tim Hortons behind us.
Okay.
So feel free, occupy that space. There's a Kennedy Center over there. You can use that
Okay.
space as much
Right
as you
down
want.
there. Cool.
We're gonna be doing some awesome prizes. We've got some product reps coming down over here.
Perfect. Perfect.
Some good store promotions. So if you're looking for your lift, you're looking for some installs, you know, hit us up. Maybe you could grab a discount that day and just pre-book.
Sounds good. So again, the dates is gonna be
April 15th.
from the timing again.
Timing, I believe it was 10 to 3.
10 to 3.
Yeah,
All
during
right,
store
guys.
hours. Yeah.
And I'll be there as well. I can't promise you I'll be here with my family. I'm gonna definitely try to bring them along. But it'll be a pleasure to meet all of you guys that are locals that can actually make it out for this grand opening. And as you said, there's gonna be like a barbecue as
Yeah,
well, and a
barbecue as
lot
well,
of
yeah.
little giveaways and stuff like that. So come early because space is limited if you want to park right close to the store.
Yep.
Otherwise, there are little areas around that you can find parking as well. So look forward to seeing each and every one of you guys that can make it out. Till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.